And the law of cosines tells us that a squared, this side length a squared, is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of angle A. So it's saying this side length a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times the cosine of this angle A. So if we know all three lengths, then we can find angle A if we rearrange this equation and solve for A. So to do that, we could add 2bc cosine theta, cosine of A, to both sides. 2bc cosine of A, and it cancels over here, and then we would subtract a squared from this side, and we'll get 2bc cosine of angle A equals b squared plus c squared minus a squared. Then we can divide by 2bc. Cancels on this side, and then we get the cosine of A equals b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. And then we can take the inverse cosine of both sides. That will leave us with simply angle A on this side, which is what we want to solve for, equals the inverse cosine of b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. So that allows us to solve for angle A, given a triangle. Doesn't have to be a right triangle, just any triangle that we know all three sides of.